Hi everyone, Ian Aldridge here from Progressive Legal. I'm talking more about trademarks today and why it's so important to get the classes and the activities right when you file a trademark application for the first time. The reason why it's so important to get the classes and activities right is a couple. One is a big one, and that's you can't amend the application after you filed it to broaden the scope in any substantial way. And any substantial way is basically anything at all that broadens it, apart from perhaps narrowing the scope and classifying things a little bit more than what is otherwise broadening the scope of the trademark. So any changes that you make want to make to the trademark application after you file it is basically considered by IP Australia as a fresh application, because once they look at it, they look at that application on its own with the classes and activities. Any further activities that you wanted to add, that is core activities to your business, it means basically that IP Australia has to look at it all again, examine the database, see who else may be infringed, or even general Google searches to see whether it's more widely used in those particular activities. And you can think about all the business activities. There's thousands of business activities out there. So it's a fresh application, which means you have to pay again to get the same protection. So that's why getting it right the first time, it's just essential, and making sure that you've got the core activities registered in the right classes to cover you for what you're doing or what you're planning to do very shortly. I hope that's answered some questions today about it. If you have any more, please feel free to email me at ian@progressivelegal.com.au or go to the website. Thanks a lot.